Everyone loves the idea of making money while you sleep. Trading bots are making that more possible than ever. But here's the truth. Most people either use the wrong bot or expect too much from it. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 trading bots for passive income, showing you how they work, what kind of income they're suited for, and what to watch out for before jumping in. This is Fintech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI, automation, or just smarter ways to grow your capital, make sure to hit subscribe. 3 commas, smart automation with DCA and grid bots. Why it's great. 3 commas is like the Swiss Army knife of crypto automation. You get powerful bots, simple interfaces, and integrations with most major exchanges. Passive income strategy. Set up a DCA bot to buy on dips and sell on bounces. Combine that with trailing take profits, so your winners ride higher and losers are cut early. It's especially useful in sideways or slightly bullish markets, where volatility gives the bot room to work. Pro tip: set wide thresholds. Don't scalp every 0.5% move. Go for quality entries and let the bot breathe. 2 Pionex, free built-in bots, no subscription needed. Pionex is perfect for beginners or small accounts because it has 16 plus built-in bots, including grid, infinity grid, and rebalancing. No monthly fee, no API keys, just plug and go. Passive income strategy: use a wide range grid bot on a low volatility crypto pair. Let it harvest small profits on each move while you focus on the long term. Bonus: you can even auto invest stablecoins like USDT using their grid savings bot for low risk, low maintenance returns. CryptoHopper complicates copy trading meets customization. CryptoHopper blends DIY strategy building with copy bots, which means you can either create your own bot using indicators and triggers or just copy someone else's, like buying a strategy off the shelf. Passive income strategy: follow top performing bots from the marketplace and combine that with a cooldown or max drawdown rule. This adds a safety net if the copied strategy goes cold. Pro tip: look for copy bots with verified long-term track records, not flashy recent wins. Ace for trade ideas. Holly AI for stocks. Not into crypto? Trade Ideas is one of the most advanced tools for stock market automation. Its Holly AI engine runs back-tested models daily and spits out high probability setups, all based on real historical edge. Passive income strategy: use simulated mode to track performance and refine your filters. Then go semi-automated with Brokerage Plus, letting Holly enter and exit trades with minimal oversight. It's not fully passive, but it removes the grind of scanning charts and reacting to news. Shrimpy, passive portfolio rebalancing for crypto investors. Shrimpy isn't about fast trades, it's about long-term efficiency. How it works: you build a portfolio, BTC, ETH, stablecoins, altcoins, set your target percent for each, and Shrimpy automatically rebalances it on a schedule. Passive income strategy: rebalancing means buying low and selling high automatically while maintaining your intended risk spread. Set it weekly or monthly and let it manage portfolio drift for you. Bonus: you can even copy entire portfolios from pro traders using Shrimpy's social feature. Final thoughts. Passive, effortless. Here's the takeaway. All these bots can generate passive style returns, but none of them are fire and forget forever. Markets change, bots need tuning, and risk, it never disappears. So test everything in paper mode. Start with small capital and prioritize consistency over hype. Automated trading comes with risk. Past performance isn't a guarantee of future results. This video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Have you used any of these bots? Which one helped you earn passive income or gave you a hard lesson? Drop your experience in the comments. Someone else in the community will definitely benefit from it. And if this video helped you, hit like, smash subscribe, and share it with a friend who's trying to make trading less stressful and more strategic. See you in the next one. Only here on Fintech Bot Focused.